Problem solving. Do you know what is problem solving? So today's topic is how to solve problem. But we'll play a game. If we say that we are going to face some problem, all of you start leaving your breath, right? So what do we mean by problem? Normally हम रास्ते में चलते हैं, घर पे चलते हैं, लोग एक ही वर्ड यूज करते हैं, problem, 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 problem. Is there any curriculum? Is there any school where you will go and learn how to solve a problem? ऐसा कोई विश्वविद्यालय है जिसमें हम जाके प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग करना सीखते हैं? किचन का प्रॉब्लम होता है, ड्राइंग रूम का प्रॉब्लम होता है, फैमिली में प्रॉब्लम होता है, रिलेटिव्स में प्रॉब्लम होता है. So everywhere we use problem. Do we use how to solve this problem? कभी सुना है कि जितना भी प्रॉब्लम हो वो सॉल्विंग सीखने का एक नया कोर्स आया है? सुना है कभी? No, this is the classroom. We are going to learn how to solve problem. So what is that? Do you have any idea about this mathematical structure? इसके बारे में किसको पता है? Raise your hand. सुडोको सुना है कभी? क्या होता है वो? अच्छा, गेम में प्रॉब्लम होता है या एंटरटेनमेंट होता है? प्रॉब्लम भी होता है, एंटरटेनमेंट भी होता है. ग्रेट. ओके, सो लेट अस सी. Through this class, we are going to learn something, how to improve our concentration. Concentration का मतलब जानते हो ना? To put more focus, do something in a less time, right? Then logical thinking. How many of you have logic subject? How many of you are interested to learn logic? Okay. And how many of you are interested to apply logic? Logic apply करना किसको interest है? Only this. So what is the difference between learning logic and applying logic? That means तुम्हारे पास you have lot of money but वो लॉकर के अंदर है और बाहर तुम भूखा मर रहे हो. लॉजिक जानना, that means having lot of money in your locker पर चाबी नहीं है. और लॉजिक अप्लाई करना मीन्स है मेरे पास थोड़ा पैसा है, मैं उसको मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा, उससे बढ़ाऊंगा पैसा, उससे अर्न करूंगा एंड देन आई विल बाय समथिंग एक्स्ट्रा. ओके, सो इन केस ऑफ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग हमें क्या होता है? पेशेंस की जरूरत होता है. And then the last word is algorithm. Have you ever heard about algorithm? Yes. Okay. Algorithm क्या होता है? Any idea? Rules की तरह होता है. Great. Now we are going to entertain something. We are going to experience something in today's class. Do it faster. Just see this. It's an artificially intelligent machine. It's an intelligent machine that is going to solve this problem. And after that you are going to solve a problem. By the time you will develop an algorithm. Algorithm means some rules so that anybody else can solve any problem. So see, when we solve problem, we cannot scan our mind, but here we can show you how this device is scanning, thinking, processing, thresholding. Now, as a human being, when we solve a Sudoku, we think lot of times, right? But we cannot visualize this. हम क्या सोच रहे हैं वो किसी को दिखा नहीं सकते. But now, with the help of this system, we can at least replicate the process. We can skip a little bit. So this is the process. Now it's become intelligent and it's solving the problem. Now you understand how machines are becoming intelligent and it's doing faster than a human being, right? So we saw that earlier we were talking about AI वो है क्या करता है, कैसे करता है, एक मॉडल को कैसे ट्रेनिंग करता है. हमने AI का डेफिनेशन क्या सुना? When machine tries to mimic human intelligence. Okay, so now it's the example we were watching the video, right? Okay, now there is a problem for you. You are going to solve a Sudoku. The rule is that you have to fill the number 1, 2, 3, 4. Each number must appear once in row each column. एक बार appear होना चाहिए. Now you can write it down quickly in your notebook. And imagine that ये जो सुडोको है, ये जो पजल है, we are solving and we are going to write an algorithm, right? An algorithm so that any machine can follow this algorithm and solve this problem. Clear? So first draw this Sudoku. Do it faster. Once we are talking about AI, we should be processing our brain faster. And don't solve it now. First you write it down quickly. Started solving. Okay, why I am saying not to solve it now? Because while solving you have to develop a system. How many students are there? More than 20 students, right? So we want to get more than 20 different algorithms, different style of solving a problem. Okay, so while training a machine we need data. If 20 people are writing 20 different algorithms, 20 different ways, so we learn from experience, and we learn from experience, and machine learn from errors. Human being experience pain, machine experience errors. So but before that, if we want to make our machine do some mistake, trial and error, do some trial and error, we need data. So that's why we are developing 20 plus different algorithms. So कोई किसी से copy मत करना, okay? So how to write this algorithm? The simple step is that in this Sudoku you have 4 rows and 4 columns. किसी भी रो में और कॉलम में एक नंबर दो बार रिपीट होना नहीं चाहिए. जैसे कि एक रो में 4 बॉक्सेस है, 1 2 2 3 ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. 1 2 3 4 वो उल्टा भी हो सकता है, 4 3 2 1, बट कॉलम वाइज, रो वाइज, कॉलम वाइज रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए. So you develop your own algorithm. Not now. Wait. We have a lot of constraint. Let us finish this, because algorithm writing, it will take some time. You may need some time to think. Okay. So this is our assignment. Now we have learned what is algorithm. Somehow I have learned ना algorithm क्या है कि step by step solution of a given problem. और algorithm जो डिजाइन करते हैं हम ध्यान रखते हैं कि ऐसा नहीं कि किसी ने पूछा था कि मुझे भैया मुझे एक चिट्ठी लिख के दो, तो उसने कहा कि भैया मेरा पैर ठीक नहीं है. उसने पूछा क्यों, चिट्ठी तो हाथ से लिखते हैं, पैर क्यों चाहिए? बोले नहीं, अगर मैं चिट्ठी लिखूंगा तो जहां पे भेजोगे वहां जाके खुद जाके पढ़ के देना पड़ेगा. समझ में आया? नहीं आया? नहीं आया? ओके. तो एल्गोरिथम शुड बी रिटन. हमें एल्गोरिथम ऐसे लिखना होगा कि किसी का एल्गोरिथम अगर मैं देखो तो उसको फॉलो करके इजीली मैं प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर पाऊं. इतना क्लियर एंड कंसाइज होना चाहिए. समझ में आया? एनी डाउट? ठीक है. सो दिस इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड एल्गोरिथम. स्टेप बाय स्टेप सॉल्यूशन ऑफ ए गिवन प्रॉब्लम. कंक्लूजन. हमने सीखा एल्गोरिथम. व्हाट इज एल्गोरिथम? स्टेप बाय स्टेप सॉल्यूशन ऑफ ए गिवन प्रॉब्लम. Okay, then logical thinking. Logic जानते हो ना, 2 plus 2 equal to 4. If 2 is greater than 3, then if a equal to 4 something, we do some logical calculation, right? Logic, suppose if it is raining, if the sky is cloudy, the sun will be disappeared, right? Okay, then problem solving skill. Okay, one more thing. Do you want to read logic or apply logic? What do you want? So in artificial intelligence, 70% times we will be applying logic. We will be developing new logic. We will be testing different ways of applying different logics, right? Okay. And we will develop, those who are the students of artificial intelligence, you are going to acquire something, some skill that is called problem solving skill. That is the most sought after topic in 21st century digital era. Understand? Means AI जिन लोगों ने सब्जेक्ट के हिसाब से लिया, आप एक ऐसा स्किल एक्वायर करने जा रहे हो, स्किल डेवलप करने जा रहे हो जिसका नाम है प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल। और इस स्किल का डिमांड आज के जमाना में इतना डिमांड है कि पीपल आर सर्चिंग फॉर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर एनी फील्ड, इन एनी फील्ड। सो एआई इज नॉट गोइंग टू टीच यू ओनली एआई, एनीथिंग, एनी प्रॉब्लम, in any situation, how you will solve the problem. There is a small assignment. That is, you will write this algorithm perfectly. And the best option is that you should write the algorithm in such a way, and then if you have younger brother or sister, you ask them to follow this. And if he or she is able to solve the Sudoku, then you can assure that my algorithm is working. समझ में आया? Can you do that? Can you do that? Okay. Yes. Okay. So if you say yes, I think you are little hungry, right? Then yes should be with a louder voice, right? So can you solve this problem?
Yes, sir.
Now, yes. Last night I sent a message that we have to do a little bit paradigm shift in our learning process. Does it happening? Paradigm shift, थोड़ा चेंज करना होगा लर्निंग प्रोसेस। जो हमने बचपन से सीखा है, सर क्लास में आएंगे, एक नया टॉपिक देंगे, घर में जाएंगे, क्लास में नोट्स करेंगे, लिखेंगे, घर में जाएंगे, फिर ट्यूशन टीचर के पास जाएंगे, फिर आके हम दिमाग का बत्ती खुलेंगे समझने के लिए। बट नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड इन एआई क्लास और इन 21st century क्लास, इट शुड बी रिवर्स। जब से शुरू तब से अपना दिमाग खुलो, राइट? सो वी हैव लैक ऑफ टाइम बिकॉज ऑफ सम कंस्ट्रेंट, अदरवाइज वी वुड हैव completed this. And this assignment is very easy and very interesting. Once you solve this, see that you are developing a machine. This algorithm is going to train your model, artificial intelligent model, the model I show you, and this model will solve the problem. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. Any question? I want lot of question from you. No question? So thank you so much.